Hey, welcome back to Jim's Kitchen. So I saw this really fun sounding Betty Crocker recipe. It's called loaded mashed potato stuffed biscuits. I saw that it involved bacon, so I thought I must make it. I must try it. Never had mashed potato and biscuits combined, but we're gonna do it because it sounds unique. Watch me make it in the kitchen. To begin, you need 4 cups of Bisquick. 1 1/3 cups of milk. I cooked up some bacon. 1/3 of this bacon I'm going to crumble up into that Bisquick mixture. I chopped up some green onions. I'm going to take half of that and put it in there. A couple shakes of garlic powder. I'll mix that all together until I get a nice soft dough. I'm taking half of the dough and splitting it into 4 biscuits. And I'm going to put in this prepared glass pan. I've made a pouch of that buttery instant mashed potatoes. I'm taking a tablespoon of it and putting it on top of each biscuit, heaping a little more crumbled bacon on top of that mashed potato. Then I take the rest of that dough and I break it up into little biscuits that I place on top of the mashed potato, like that. I'm taking a cheese blend and pouring it on top. I'm gonna bake this in an oven that's 375 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. I've brought them out and they've puffed up so nicely and they look so good. Now, guess what I do? I cover it with more cheese, this kind and a little bit of this, and you put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Look at that, it came out of the oven. Now you just take the rest of that crumbled bacon and put it on the top. And the rest of those green onions. This is a piece of art. I have to try it. Well, there it is. Loaded mashed potato stuffed biscuit. Excuse me. This is gonna be good. Let's try it. All that bacon in there. It's loaded with goodness. It's really good. Definitely tastes like a loaded potato with a biscuit. I think what would make it really good is if it had some type of sauce on top. Maybe like a country gravy or something poured on top. Would be absolutely priceless. I do love country gravy on mashed potatoes anyway. Well, I love it and I can't wait to finish it. Thank you so much for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen, bringing you more recipes, unique recipes that you can try at home. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you want to see them all the time, ding that bell. Well, I'll see you next time. What do you call a spinning potato? A rotato.